Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fortnite. You are unable to play this game at this time. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the game, then click on the profile icon here on the top right. Then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to as you can see here on the gear icon, and then you need to change matchmaking region. So if matchmaking region is set to you to auto, what you need to do here next is to select the region with the lowest ping. So for me, there is an Europe server, right? So I just need to select Europe, and if your matchmaking region is select a particular region, try to select then auto here, and then apply the changes and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you can close the game. Then after you close the game, close Epic Games Launcher as well from your system tray. So I will do that. And then what you need to do here next is to press Windows and I key, or simply on search, you just need to write run. And once you do that, then here you need to write on this box % local app data %. And then you need to find 3 folders. You need to find Epic Games folder. Currently I don't have it because I just recently deleted, but it should be Epic Games Launcher, and Fortnite game. And then you just need to delete these folders. Don't worry, it's just the cache files. Simply what you need to do here next after you delete these folders is you just need to relog into your Epic Games account after you do so, right? And then you just need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here is to refresh your internet connection. So you just need to test your internet, and then you need to look if you have good internet, stable and good internet speed. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router. And then you just need to go to settings, and then you need to just go network and internet, then advanced network settings. And after you do so, it should be network reset button. Press on that and reset now. If you're using Wi-Fi connection, you will need to put your password again to basically log into your gain access to your internet. But if you're using internet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And after you do so, then you need to go to your internet connection here, expand this option, then more adapter options. Then make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then you need to go to internet protocol version 4, and then you just need to select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and write 8.8.8.8, and then on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, apply the changes, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go back on Epic Games Launcher. And once you're on Epic Games Launcher, I just need to put my password again. So wait a second. You need to go to library, then you need to look for Fortnite, press on the dots, then you need to go to manage, then you need to press on this folder icon here, and then you need to go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then you need to look for the exe files, 4 exe files. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. And what you need to do here is to right click on the file one by one, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8 and disable full screen optimization. And do with all these exe files here, Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations. Press OK with this one as well. Compatibility, and then like this. And Fortnite Launcher as well. Properties, compatibility, and then apply the changes. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then the last thing that I suggest you to do here is to delete and reinstall Fortnite, and then your problem should be fixed. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.